Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you about Social Studies, Class 1, Unit number 8, Revision Lesson, and it's on page number 32. Open your books, page number 32. Fun and games. Here you can look Anam and Yasir. Yasir and Anam have fun at home. They play and sing and dance. Sometimes they have visitors. कभी कभार वो घूमने भी जाया करते हैं और वो वहाँ पे बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं, बहुत सारा खेलते हैं और वो बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं. Anam and Yasir like playing with their cousins. Sometimes they like playing with their cousins. Sometimes their parents take them to the zoo. कभी कभी उनके पेरेंट्स उनको ज़ू में भी लेके जाते हैं जहाँ वो बहुत सारे जानवर देखते हैं और बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं. Sometimes they go on a picnic and they enjoy it. Sometimes they play in a park. Okay, now here we have given some questions. Question number 1 is, what do you like to play at home? We already read about this lesson and about this question as well. And the question number 1 is, what do you like to play at home? Here you write about your choice. I write, I like to play football at home. And the question number 2 is, have you visited a zoo? If you visited a zoo, then you write here, yes. I write here, yes. Yes, I have visited a zoo. Okay, now move on page number 34. Here you have given a topic, the park. What are the names of things in this park? Tell me the names of things in this park. The first one is, what is this? Yes, swing. The second one is slide. The next one is climbing frame. The next one is seesaw. The next one is roundabout. And the last one is sand pot. Now again here you have given a question, and question is, what do you like to play on in the park? आपने बताना है कि आप क्या पसंद करते हैं पार्क में, क्या खेलना पसंद करते हैं. I like to play football. You can write here about your choice. Okay, now move on page number 35. Here you have given exercise A. Do exercise A on your book. Now move on exercise B, and exercise B is, what are these games? Have you played them? Tell me the names of these games. And the first one is, ये कौन सी गेम होती है, इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Yes, zero cross. The second one is snake game. And the last one is, ये तो सबको पता होगा ना कि ये कौन सी है, ये तो आपको पता है, आप बताइए कौन सी है. Yes, and the last one is Ludo Star. Okay, now move on page number 36. Here you have given exercise C, and the exercise C is look at these animals in the zoo. What are they called? आप जब भी जू में जाते हैं तो आप इन एनिमल्स को देख रहे होते हैं. क्या आपको पता है कि एनिमल्स क्या कहलाते हैं या इन एनिमल्स की क्या नेम्स होते हैं? ओके, एंड द फर्स्ट वन इज लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि इस एनिमल की क्या नेम है? यस, दिस वन इज स्नेल. द सेकेंड वन इज बियर. अब जो पिक्चर गिवन है वो तो सबको पता होता है कि ये कौन सा एनिमल है. यस, इट्स अ मंकी. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज बीच. नाउ एलिफेंट, zebra, and the next one is, you know very well, this one is tiger, and the last one is crocodile. Okay, now we have completed this lesson. Hope so you have enjoyed this lesson. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.